Okay, welcome back. Today I'll be working on this switch. Now this switch has no power, but I have looked inside the charging port and it has two bin pins. So what I'll do is I'll switch over to the microscope just now, just to show you. And we can see the two bin pins here. So what I'll do is now I'll take it apart, check is there any shorts around M92, because that is a fairly common issue when the port is gone. And hopefully all this one needs is a new port. Okay, so I changed the port, so let's see if it does take a charge now. Okay, so let's see, do we get a battery logo? And yeah, we get a battery logo this side. Now we'll switch it around and see, do we get a logo on the other side? And yeah, we do. So that's fully fixed, just a charge board, nice easy to repair. Yeah, I guess I'll just see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.